Imagine a world where every bite you take fuels your body, sharpens your mind, and revitalizes your spirit. That's the power of healthy eating. Today, we delve into the art of preparing 3 nutritious meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These meals are not only a delight for your taste buds, but also provide a plethora of nutritional benefits. Begin the day with a vibrant breakfast smoothie bowl. Start by gathering a handful of mixed berries, a ripe banana, a spoonful of chia seeds, and a splash of almond milk. Blend these ingredients until they reach a creamy consistency. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top it off with a sprinkle of granola and a drizzle of honey. This smoothie bowl serves as an antioxidant powerhouse, packed with fiber and protein to keep you feeling satisfied until lunch. When lunchtime rolls around, a quinoa salad is an excellent choice. To prepare it, boil 1 cup of quinoa in 2 cups of water. While the quinoa cooks, dice a cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and bell peppers. Mix these vegetables together with a handful of arugula. Once the quinoa has cooled down, incorporate it into the salad. Top it off with a dressing made from olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. This salad is a well-rounded meal, complete with protein from the quinoa, fiber from the vegetables, and healthy fats from the olive oil. As the day winds down and the evening sets in, it's time to prepare a heart-healthy dinner of baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Season a salmon fillet with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, dill, salt, and pepper. Place it on a baking sheet along with a medley of your favorite vegetables. Bake for 20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. This meal is rich in omega-3 fatty acids from the salmon and loaded with vitamins and minerals from the vegetables. So, there you have it. A day packed with delicious, nutritious meals. Each dish is purposely crafted to offer a balance of nutrients. The breakfast smoothie bowl supplies a burst of antioxidants and a healthy dose of fiber. The quinoa salad serves up a protein-packed lunch with a side of fiber and healthy fats. Lastly, the baked salmon dinner delivers a generous portion of omega-3 fatty acids and a medley of essential vitamins and minerals. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body. Make the most of it by choosing foods that are as good for you as they are delicious. After all, healthy eating isn't a diet, it's a lifestyle. Stay tuned for more healthy recipes and tips to enhance your culinary skills and well-being.